Okay. Yeah. Two. Yeah. Hey. Got all the money. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is already a package that I had before. This is the movie. If you want to check a review on this or the unboxing of this, you can check my last video for that one. I just had to order another one because the one I had, the cutting blade was just uneven. So this one is all good. So keep that note. If you do get one of those, you know, make sure the cutting blade is all good, because that happens a lot of time with these off-brand clippers, you know, because they don't have a blade stabilization on it. You know, sometimes they're uneven, and I mean, there are ways you can fix it, but I'd rather not if I don't have to, you know. But that's pretty much, that's the main thing that sets these budget clippers, so-called budget clippers, apart from, you know, mainstream clippers, is quality control and just blade stabilization. Alright, so this is a foil shaver that I caught on Amazon, and this looks to be a very good foil shaver, and it looks similar to something I've seen. I think what company had that? I want to say Gamma. I think it looks just like the Gamma. And what's nice about this is not only is it wet and dry, it has quick charging and 90-minute use time with an 800 milliamp hour battery in it. This foil shaver is boasted to have 9,000 RPM speed. So we're gonna test that out, see if that's legit. Let's see if they got this thing charged. We'll put this to the side. See what else we got in the box here. Okay, we do have a little thin manual. Got our charging cable, and that's type A, USB A, which is not bad. I prefer that than them having their own type of USB charging port. What's in here? I think this might be an extra foil. And my hand's ashy. Woo. Excuse me. I ain't got no lotion on right now. Out here on my patio, just wanted to hit y'all up, let y'all see what I got. Yeah, like I thought, this is an extra head to the foil shaver. Nothing else in there. Have a little cleaning brush, two-sided. We have a velvetish plush type bag right here, carrying case. Nice touch. I like that. Always like those. Alright, now let's get to the shaver itself. Let's move this stuff out the way. And get to the shaver. Let's see what we got here. Looks nice. What is the name of this? Magnifeko. Okay. Get out of here. Nice. Yeah, this looks a lot like the Gamma foil shaver. Very lightweight, all plastic. don't know if this is used. It looks like it has some fingerprints. I don't know if that's from me. Maybe it's from me. Alright. See, what's this button? I don't know what that's the button to release the top, release the foil shaver head. Alright, you know what? I'm not even gonna. Yeah, let's try it out. Oh, okay. So it has a little blue light for the indicator, letting you know that it's turned on. Not sure if that will turn colors when the battery gets low, but we will see. We will check that out. Let's do an RPM test. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so it looks like around 8,600 RPMs. I mean, that's close enough to 9,000 for me. That's nice right there. So at this price, which it was about, I think about 20 bucks, man. At this price, you're getting well-built foil shaver with an extra foil head, and I mean, it looks nice. I'm telling you, it looks just like the Gamma foil shaver, and it has 9,000 RPMs, decent run time. Looks good to me from now. We'll see how it stands up, you know, about the longevity or whatever. See if it can take a brutal beating of my scratchy beard. Alright, so that's it right there. That's the Magnifeko. Got it at Amazon between 20 and 30 bucks. Go check it out, man. For now, it's your boy, Ray Smitty. Let's end this, baby.